everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Krafts. I am back and happy 2023. I'm just going to be doing a regular home decor piece today, and I'm going to use this little easel that I got from Dollar Tree. I have some stickers, some burlap, and then some little eucalyptus things, which I think I'm going to use, not 100% yet. I got those from Walmart. I don't think there's a price on here, but I think they were like $2 or something like that. And that's pretty nice greenery for $2. So anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and then I'm gonna take my Java colored chalk paint and I am going to paint the little blackboard here this Java color. So I'm just gonna try to stay, actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna paint these edges too if I can. And I'm just gonna go around and get that Java color and this also on both sides. Okay, now that I have that painted and it's pretty much dry, I'm gonna take my antique wax from Waverly and I am going to stain the rest of my wood with that. So I'm sure you've seen me and other crafters do this a billion times before, but I'm just going to put my antique wax on there and then I'm just going to kind of rub it out a little bit. So I'm going to go all the way around the frame. I don't know, I'm trying to figure out if I want to try to do the inside. I think if I don't do the inside, it's going to look funny, so I'm probably going to do that also. Okay, this is all done and ready to go. And I'm going to set that aside, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this crappy tablecloth here that I have. I have two pieces of the burlap that I'm going to use, but what I want to do is I want to stiffen that burlap up first, because if you can see, it frays really super easy. So I am just going to take my Mod Podge, and I'm just going to go right on the burlap like this. And I'm going to put a decent coat of it on so it stiffens up really nice. And then I'm going to let it dry and then I'm going to be able to cut it. Okay, these are almost dry and they are nice and stiff now. So these are going to be really easy to work with. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out this little chalkboard area that I have here. And I'm just going to take a piece of paper. I'm going to hold it down and then I'm just going to kind of crease it along the sides here. And then I'm going to use this as a template to cut my burlap. So now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. Okay, I have my template cut out. Now I'm going to try to clip it down on here so I can start trying to cut it out. And then we'll see how well I did with my cutting out my template. Okay, I have one of them cut out and now I'm going to see how I did on here. Oh, it almost fits. I think I'm just going to have to do a little bit of trimming to get this in here. And then it should fit good. And then I will come back. Okay, now I have my pieces cut out and they fit pretty decent. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to Mod Podge them onto my chalkboard. So I'm just going to get my Mod Podge out here and then try to cover this somewhat decent. I don't think I have to have too much on here because those actually fit in there pretty tight when I put them in there. So just going to stick some on here. And then I am going to stick my burlap back in here. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and attach the other side too. Okay, I have my burlap all on there. I think that looks really cute. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some stickers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I already picked out the ones I'm going to use, and I'm going to use this one. We call this place our home. And I'm actually going to just stick this up. I know you're not going to be able to see very good on camera here, but I'm just going to leave this little sticky thing on here and I'm going to shoot some hot glue on it. And I'm going to try to center it on my sign here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this eucalyptus Oh, I don't even have to cut it off of there. It just pops right off. So I want to make sure I take from the same branch when I use this. So I have full branches left. And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna cut this little end off. Make sure this is on here good. Okay, then I'm gonna take my eucalyptus and I'm gonna stick one on top here. So I'm just gonna put some on these two leaves here. And then I'm gonna place this right on top here. When I have to get my fingers in here and hold these down so they stay. All right, I have the other one cut. I'm just gonna put it on these two leaves and then press it down on my sign here. All right, that side is all finished. I think it looks pretty cute. And then on the other side, I'm actually gonna use a smaller one. So we call this place home, and then this side's gonna say, friends and family gather here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that with some hot glue, and then I'm gonna center it in my sign here. And then I'm gonna grab two more of these eucalyptus branches. And then what I think I'm gonna do with this side is I think I'm gonna put it on the sides like this. I don't even know if I want to put one on the bottom. I'm gonna put this one on here first and then we'll see how that looks. So I think I'm gonna start with putting some hot glue on this leaf here, because I'm gonna have to try to bend it around. Okay, so I have that one on, and I don't know, I'm thinking I'm gonna put this one on too down here. I don't know, it might be overkill, but I don't know. I'm thinking it would look good. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna stick this one on here. Okay, that's it. It is all finished. There is that side. And then here's the other side. And set that up so you can see it. And yeah, that was it. It's just gonna sit by itself, and depending on what I feel like, what side I like better or what side I feel like displaying, but that's it. I just want to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe if you can, if you don't mind. Hit the bell, get notified when I upload. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.